In front of me is HMD Skyline, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to Access Passwords and Accounts. Then hit this gear next to Google under Autofill Service. Select Google Password Manager and click on Add Password in Passwords section. Now it's time to input all of those information. At the top you can type in any website or click on Select App and tap on the chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you finish, hit save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!